Welcome to my channel, Nina Starting From Scratch. I am sharing with you our family vacation to Disneyland Hotel and Resort, January of 2023. During our Disneyland Hotel stay, we had a premier club level or e-ticket level room.
Yeah. So that's how we get to the parks.
One of the perks of staying at the Disneyland Hotel is the easy access to the resorts by going through downtown Disney.
Oh, it's a heated pool?
That's nice. You can still utilize it, yeah. And we do have a spa in there as well.
When you stay at the e-ticket level, a member of the guest services will guide you to the 11th floor so that you can become familiar with the special perks of the e-ticket lounge. We also were told that the pool at the Disneyland Hotel is heated, so you can still enjoy it during those cold months such as January, as it was quite nippy. The one thing I love about the Disneyland Hotel is the tropical feeling that you have on the hotel grounds. You can enjoy Trader Sam's restaurant, and there's the Terrace Tropical Bar and Grill where you can get the cocktails and even that delicious Dole Whip that you would have to typically go into the Disneyland Resort Park to get, but you can get it right here, even if you're not staying at the hotel. Anyone can have access to the Disneyland Hotel Trader Sam area. There is construction going on at the Disneyland hotels, so it can be noisy at times. You want some peace and quiet, get an early start and go down to the pool area and sit in front of the fire. It's relaxing and it's just very peaceful.
That's the tower. What is the original tower? So when the hotel was first built, so there's a lot of history. Disney stayed here.
The Adventureland Tower is the original tower. Even Walt Disney stayed here.
Robert over here, the beverages. We do have salt beverages in anyone's interested. And we do for the children, we do have a fridge full of Any further questions, you do have your own concierge team right over there. They can assist you with any. It's been my pleasure.
The food at the Disneyland Hotel is not like your typical hotel food. It's not even comparable. I don't even know how to describe everything except it's delicious. And I'm disappointed I didn't get enough video and photos to share. The view from the e-ticket level is what takes your breath away. You are just so happy when you are standing up there or eating your meal and just looking outside those windows. You see California Adventure Park and you see the Disneyland Resort. It's truly a magical moment. You have 4 rotating meals throughout the day and unlimited beverages, including alcohol, beer, and wine, and a big refrigerator full of soda for kids. We had the premier hotel room, which just means we get to continue that amazing view that you see at the e-ticket level floor right at our hotel room. It's spectacular. I appreciated the refrigerator because if you bring back your soda cans from that club level, you just put it right there. I did not get any video or photos of the bathroom, but it's nice and spacious and it has its own little closet toilet. The beds in our room were very comfortable. The lamp has a music box that plays for about 60 seconds or so. It's a darling, and it has the lights above your bedposts that make a great nightlight for any kids. I'm also super happy with the housekeeping. They take care of your room, and you come back and your bed will be turned down and you'll have a piece of chocolate waiting for you next to your bed. You feel very taken care of at the Disneyland Hotel. There were no scheduled fireworks during the week because we're in the winter months, but we had a surprise when they were testing out the new 100 celebration fireworks. The premium hotel view is worth the money if you can try even for one night, because those fireworks were spectacular. You can't get that kind of view inside the park on the floor. If you have any questions about the Disneyland Hotel and the e-ticket level, please leave a comment and I will do my best to answer you. Here are some highlights from our Disneyland trip, January of 2023, and a little bit of clips from May of 2022 at the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a magical day.
because of the race day.
And Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
You, my friend, aren't we the best? Wake up! Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm here to coach you.
I'll tell you what, to pitch you hard, getting into the groove. So pay attention. Yours.
Yes! Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Do it for that. Do it for me.
How are you doing, Your Highness? Keep walking straight, okay?
Thank you.
Any wish you can possibly imagine. Go ahead and close your eyes and think of that beautiful wish, okay? Big city rockety-doo, today princess is all about you. Bippity boppity-doo, may all your dreams and wishes come true. Bippity boppity-doo. Can you help me wake them up? Yeah. Can you wave your wand and say bippity boppity-doo? Oh my goodness, princess, you made my birdie fly away. And these are all your magical wishes. And you want to know how I know it's royalty? Because you made my royal flowers grow. That means that you're a true princess inside and out.
We're gonna try and beat you.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Star Tours is pleased to announce its inaugural.
Is that your original head? It's quite becoming. Vanilla. Please refrain from waving.
I have a spell
This disrupts the circuitry as well as possibly the nose of the person standing near it. Thank you.